Hi everybody and welcome back. I've got a fantastic session today that involves Tai Chi exercises to help improve your leg strength, your core strength and retain your balance. Really key things that will help us enjoy our everyday activities as we age. So if you're a senior, if you're over 50, over 60 or 70 and looking to improve your balance, then this session is for you. Let's get started. Hi everybody, straight into the action today. We're going to take our feet hip width apart. Remember that lovely posture, nice and relaxed at the joints, and we're going to do our knocking on the door to warm up. Turning the waist and swinging the arms freely, just really trying to loosen the body and warm up. Bringing ourselves to the centre and maintaining good posture, taking my feet a little bit wider, breathing in and breathing out, sinking down to our horse stance. Remember to focus on lifting up through the crown and then sinking our weight down into the floor as we bend the knees. You want to maintain good posture, pull belly button through to spine to engage the core. This time, bringing the hands down to the tabletop, we're sliding across, transferring the body weight to side bow and bringing ourselves back to the middle. And if you can, stay low with the knee bend. We want our knees traveling in the direction of our toes, so pointing forwards. And with the hands, I'm just adding a small push to the side, turning the waist to carry the arms across. Let's repeat all that again. So horse stance followed by our side bow stance movements. Maybe challenge yourself to sink a little bit deeper with those knee bends. This is going to build our strength in our legs. And remember, engage that core, again helping us to build strength. Let's take it over to side bow. Now setting up for bow stance. Feet hip width apart and good posture again. We want to lift up from the hips. We're just going to transfer our body weight backwards into the back leg and then forwards about 70 to 80% into our bow stance. and really lift up through the crown here like we are suspended from the ceiling. You want to really maintain that good posture throughout as much as you can. Let's add undulating wave arm movements while we are here. This time transferring the body weight all the way into the back leg, we're going to tap in and then control that step back out to bow stance. This time transferring the weight into the front foot, tapping forwards and stepping back. Let's set up in our bow stance on the other side and repeat that whole section. And all of these slow and controlled transfer of weight from one foot to the other is really going to help build our strength in our leg muscles and engage the core and help with posture and alignment. All of these things accumulate to improve our balance. Let's give ourselves a little shake out, and then we're going to move on to our empty stance. Good setup on this supporting leg, a really good foundation. Again, we're pulling belly button through to spine, engaging the core and lifting up through the crown. And we're just going to tap this front foot in and out. This time lifting that front foot up and placing it down again, keeping the body weight on that back supporting leg. Setting up again on the other side, and a good solid foundation for this sporting leg. Let's repeat all that again. Stepping out to the side and alternating our empty stance. And you want to think of this like we are stepping out, we're transferring that body weight, we're sinking it into that supporting leg and making sure we've got that solid foundation before we release the foot to tap forwards into empty stance. Let's add our golden rooster hands, and I do believe if you visualize putting that hand on the tabletop next to you, it really does help with your balance. This time, holding empty stance, we're going to lift the leg and tap back down again. Remembering your posture, we're lifting up through the crown, we're not sinking into that hip, and we are engaging our core muscles, pulling belly button through to spine, and this will engage our abdominals. Final challenge for our balance, we're merging it together, hand and foot attached with a piece of string, moving up together and coming back down together, keeping it controlled. Let's do one more on each side. Well done, everybody. You are doing a fantastic job. And bringing ourselves to a wide parallel stance, slightly wider than hip width apart. We're going to repeat all our horse stance and side bow from the beginning of the session, and maybe take it a little bit deeper with the knee bends. Now we are thoroughly warmed up and wanting to challenge our strength. Big breath in, and we are going to breathe out and sink into a deep horse stance. Keeping good posture, holding it here. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Let's repeat that horse stance hold a couple more times. really focus on keeping the breathing calm while you are sitting here and pulling belly button through to spine. I know I've said it a few times this session, lifting up through the crown, keeping everything relaxed. Final time now, we can all do it. Release and shake it out, and then we'll do some stretches. So let's step forwards and stretch high and transfer back and stretch low. Turn around and repeat on the other side. And join me finally for gathering the chi. Big breath in, reaching to the sky. Feel a lovely stretch and then a relaxation as the hands come down. And let's balance the chi. We've worked really hard today on that leg strength, on the core strength, on maintaining good posture and developing that balance we want to retain as we get older. It's really important, and these are great Tai Chi exercises to help you achieve that. I love doing these sessions for you and I hope you enjoy them too. Do remember to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to practice Tai Chi with you very soon. Thanks guys, bye.